Kubor na Khlem jong Nongpynmih Hima.
Jingïalang pedeng Jthoa Hills Truck Owner Association, but Kynhun Nongpynmih Dewbilat, Hapoh Kalama All Jthoa Hills Cement Manufacturers Association, Conference Hall ka Office DC, Kelakut Khlem Seisoh misla. Ya kini Jingïalang lakot do IC Deputy Commissioner ka East Jthoa uba SSM li. Naga benta bane penbet ya kedor baik Dewbilat bat kilingka belapin benar dekat Sarkar Jilla nado ka khatlai tere kila lingkar Hapoh lingba ka tanah transport. U Presiden ke Ajhcma u RK Parik habakran shiklat patai kubor hadin ke Jingïalang ulaong haki Jingïalang kibla dep kila menjur ban shalan siejar si sepak metrik ton u semen lingba kitrap balada snguduna kila banekran bagi para terai karkhana penmi Dewbilat ban penkiu ya Jingïalang.
The strike has been, we come to know the strike report through the only media, newspaper. That's it. After that, we approached to the authority DC. He has called the urgent meeting on 4th. On that 4th, it has been decided, okay, we will discuss the meeting, etc. But nothing is been happened. Again, DC has called a meeting today. Certain demands what they are making, we have already given the payment to them as per the discussion made, as per the government of the notifications, Meghalaya, that loading in Meghalaya and unloading in Meghalaya will be paid accordingly. Now they are telling 0 point etc., which we don't remember. There was no such discussion previously about the 0 point etc. However, we have made a commitment in writing. Previously there is some less dispatch in particular in Barnihar that around 700 ton per day, which we have agreed about 1100 metric ton per day. And on the basis of that, the plant has been, discussion has been made. Now, today's discussion, we have also agreed today that if they are not agree, we will discuss among all members to increase further more quantity to dispatch in Barnihar. But sir, this is purely depends on the department of the market. This is not necessary, just we are to dispatch whatever the quantity is needed as per the association. This is as per the department of the market. We can dispatch whatever they like if the consumption is more. In Meghalaya, only 8 to 10% cement consumption. And our lot of the cement is going for outside. Anyway, that the present DC has agreed about the 6 persons from the association side, and from our side we will discuss among them. Tomorrow again we will sit down with the DC and we try to come on the conclusion.
Northeast, and so that's why lots of infrastructure projects are going on, and most of the projects are using only Meghalaya produced cement, and all these products have come now in the world, and it has affected largely. Even we are receiving phone calls from the ministers from different projects here regarding supply of the cement, when it will be done. Even in Meghalaya also, the people who are from Shillong and all, they are also suffering badly because it is a dry season and lots of construction work goes on. So entire northeast is suffered badly with this time.
Stop all the vehicles, cement and clinker here on the way. Even that, certain raw materials vehicles was coming from the outside. They have also been stopped. And if these will be not been allowed by the government, which this thing or by them also, this industry will suffer a lot, may close also.
That we had lots of discussion regarding the issues pertaining to the issues, so we have come to the conclusion that the demand has to be met, and tomorrow we'll have a meeting along with the cement factory association. We'll have a agreement that they do and don't, like what they cannot do, what they can do. So after that, I hope that it will be settled, it will be final and binding. Actually today we have put the point with during a meeting. We are the locals, we are deprived of business opportunities we are getting. Actually what has happened, if they are not giving us an opportunity, where will we go? Where will we go for business? Should we go to UP? Should we go to Punjab? Should we go to Assam? If we didn't have that right and justice to do a business, why should they interfere? Why should they have all the fun and have all the business opportunity to here?
Kiau ukut ugi semen factory ugi JSOE ta nagadaw wai pumbat kini ga ay kita gador gua ay sorkari I karukan tegam idangu continue bingi strike na like ko berpari pajbale yo cha gi gijing itu ugani pumbat ki da kular gi menstep ui pumbat ugani gi semen factory ui chong menstep uki hadin yang menstep yo pat ki gua pumbat yang ki talada bat ki andre ye ka wang strike lanam bat ki continue bingi strike